So we're out at the airport getting ready to go to Ocala again, and this time we're going to spend several days as opposed to a few hours like we did last week on that first post. You'll also notice in this video the grass is a lot greener. When we first looked at the property, it was in August of 2017, so you'll see some of that before video and pictures of what the house looked like inside. And believe it or not, people were living in this house. If you can imagine that, with all the junk that you're going to see in there, it was pretty scary. So consequently, we have a little bit of scary music in the background going on to set the mood. And believe me, it was indeed a frightening experience going in there and looking at it. But in spite of all that, we could see that we had a vision for this place. We had great bones and had a lot of potential. About October, November, when the grass was still green, we had cleared all the property, we had painted the barn. We got everything looking a lot better, and that part of the video's got happy music. So we're successful so far of getting the farm well underway. We've got horses in there, as you saw from our previous video. So the farm side of the business is up and running. Meeting the contractor this week to get more construction going. You'll see in this little video clip, we've already started some demo and some renovation work on the apartments and the guest house. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoy my videos, and if you do, please subscribe to my videos. You know, got to keep all the avionics updated.
US Tower, Skylane 6557 Mike with you, visual, runway 9.
Skylane 6557 Mike, US Tower.
About every 28-day cycle, there's new charts and data that we have to maintain. And it's complete.
And departure Trailblazer 496 1000, climbing 16000.
I just love this view. New stall fronts.